Hi Daniel, Alma here. It was nice speaking with you, and as promised, here is the little video I said I would send you so that you know what to do to beat your competition out of the water. So let's get started. I would like to talk about three different things: content, backlinks, and citations. Content. What is content? Content are all the words and pages you have on your home page. It looks like you don't have a lot of them. For Google, they don't care how beautiful your site is. What they want is to have the content, meaning that your website is relevant to the services that you offer. Let's look. I have here your competitors. I have AM Plumbing Service. They don't have a lot of content either. And we also have GMP Septic and Sewer. Same situation with them. Another important part of the content is having your picture saved under the right keywords, so when people are searching online for the services that you offer, they are able to find you. You want to take every opportunity you can to bring the customers to you. Now, the second thing I like to talk about are backlinks, and for that, I like to use this tool called Ahrefs. This is a paid tool that I like to use because it gives me important information behind the scenes regarding your website. You don't have a lot of numbers here. This is the one I pulled out for AM Plumbing and the one for GMP. Let's go through yours. I want to talk about backlinks. What are backlinks? Backlinks are links from a page on one website to another. Backlinks are important because they help you with the following three things. Number one, they help you with ranking. Google sees them as votes of confidence. Generally speaking, the more votes your web pages have, the more likely they are to rank for relevant search queries. Number two, they help with discoverability. Search engines find new content by revisiting pages they already know to check for new links, and search engines revisit popular pages more often than unpopular pages. They may discover your content faster if you get backlinks from popular pages. And number three, they help with referral traffic. Backlinks exist to point people to useful resources. That's why they're clickable. When someone clicks on the link to your website, you get referral traffic, also called link juice. This gives you link juice, which is the term that we use to describe and measure how much power a backlink passes onto another site and therefore strengthens it. When you have backlinks, it shows how much power you have here, but it's not showing any of yours. Let's look at your competitors at AM Plumbing. They have 92, but these are not giving them power because these are not quality backlinks. Not all backlinks are made equal. Some are good quality and some are not. Now let's talk about citations. Citations is having your business name, address, and phone number listed in as many local directories online as possible. Citations lend credibility to your business and help you impact your ranking on Google. Let's look at what your competitors have. They have 19, and this is what's showing as trust right here. And your other competitor at GM, they have 17, and that's giving them power here. One last thing I like to mention are keywords. They are very necessary in order for you to rank high on Google also because they bring you traffic. When people are searching for the services that you offer, they'll be able to find you, but you need to have those keywords embedded in the content of your page. Your competitors at AM, they have 4 and they're getting like 1 customer per month based on those keywords. We have GM, 9 keywords, and they're getting about 5 customers. So you definitely need to get some because as of right now, it doesn't look like you have anything. So to summarize, I recommend more content, anywhere from 1,500 to 2,000 words and pictures on your homepage. Also suggest backlinks because they're important to help you have a more positive effect on your ranking and search visibility. You will need to get backlinks from high authoritative websites as many as possible. And lastly, get citations. Have your business name, address, and phone number in as many online directories as possible in order for your potential customers to find you. All of these help you rank higher on Google, in the first page of Google, especially ranking on the map pack, which is the first 3 spots on Google. You can do all of these on your own, or I will be very happy to help you with this process, as many of my customers do once they watch this video. You can reach me at 661-406-0608, or you can reply to my email. Thank you so much for your time, Daniel, and I would really love to hear your feedback on this video. Have a great day. Bye-bye.